Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. You are highly blessed and secured through the existence of the wind, water, and sand that our Creator Chukwu Okike Abiama uses to sustain humans and monitors all the activities on the earth, both in the spiritual realms, without error, to avoid blacklist after death. The Igbo people hold a deep respect for the natural world. We believe that the wind, water, and sand are not just elements, but powerful. They are witnesses to our lives, observing our actions and recording them without error. These elements are sacred, a gift from Chukwu Okike Abiama, our Creator. They guide us towards a life of morality and balance. From the moment we are born, the wind whispers around us, carrying our first cries and laughter. Water cleanses us, flowing over our skin like a blessing. Sand cradles our feet as we take our first steps, a constant reminder of our connection to the earth. These elements are constant companions throughout our lives. As we grow, we learn the importance of respecting these elements. We understand that they are not ours to control, but to live in harmony with. They are our guides, our protectors, and our judges. They teach us that our actions have consequences, not just in this life, but in the next. We are truly safe and secure for our existence on the planet via the activities of the wind, water, and sand, which monitors all the activities of humans and spirits. So, be happy with your life and be kind to your fellow humans so that after this life, you will gain the peaceful place with your original invisible body that you normally seize in your dreams. Today is Monday the Eke market day in Igbo land. As you are going out or expecting something for the betterment of life, you shall receive good things, prosper in your businesses, and your hand works ease. Meaning so shall it be. May the wind, water, and sand help us to practice good behavior toward our fellow humans so that we can stop depending on the praying for forgiveness that made humans keep destroying themselves and believe that after killing their fellow humans with evil actions, they will ask for the forgiveness without knowing that the wind, water, and sand is recording all of our evil action toward our fellow humans without error. From today, help yourself and stop evil actions toward your fellow humans so that the wind, water, and sand will start recording your good behaviors toward your fellow humans, because after evil actions toward our fellow human beings by destroying people's lives, noting like the prayer of forgiveness after destroying people's life, that prayer of forgiveness is a scam. Take note and start practicing good character toward your fellow humans so that you can have space to ask your Creator, the owner of all humans and language, to bless you more to achieve greatness with your brain and your 5 fingers through your creativity to better humans' life, not to spend time in destroying people's life. Take note, working against your fellow human by destroying their lives just to satisfy your mind, to be honest with you, all the evil you commented toward your fellow human being. Noting like the prayer of forgiveness is not working because you are purposely commenting the evil to your fellow humans. The truth is the wind, water, and sand know whatever you have in your mind before action, so nothing like let us pray for the forgiveness of our evil actions toward our fellow human beings. You must understand that the wind, water, and sand are attached to all humans. They are the life of every human. So whatever you do, both good and bad, toward your fellow humans is recorded by the wind, water, and sand. And they know when you suddenly made a mistake, and also they know whatever you planned and accomplished, so have it in your mind. Noting like the prayer of forgiveness of your evil actions toward your fellow human being. This mental prayer of forgiveness is what made humans keep commenting evil against themselves without knowing that nothing like such prayer of forgiveness after destroying people's lives, the humans that you didn't create. The only thing that can give you inner peace is to avoid evil against your fellow humans. Separate yourself from anything that destroys human lives. Not pray for forgiveness for your evil action toward your fellow humans. It doesn't work because you are aware of the pains that you are causing your fellow human being. If you can't troll yourself inside the fire, why do you want to push others inside the fire, pushing others inside the fire, and later ask for forgiveness for your evil action that doesn't work? If anyone thought you about commenting evil toward your fellow human being and later asks for the forgiveness of your sin, that is a pure lie. It doesn't work. This is the problem of human mentality in believing in the prayer of forgiveness after destroying their fellow human beings' lives to satisfy the mind of an eagle. This is where human mentality got it wrong before the presence of the owner of all humans and languages, the creator of the universe. Because of your selfishness and your dissatisfaction, you denied yourself from not acknowledging the truth of the function of the things on the earth that was here before your existence, before your presence on earth that is not your owner. Everything is well instructed in their activities to secure your presence on earth by witness the creation of our creator, Chukwu Okike Abiama, your owner who owns every human and everything that existed before your presence on earth. So now, in your mentality, how do you think that you will spend time planning evil against your fellow human being? And after you accomplished your evil against your fellow humans, how do you think that the things here on the earth before you that monitor your activities will look at you when praying for the forgiveness of the evil that you spend time days and planned? This is funny for humans' mentality. I'm telling you, you are the one that destroyed your pace after this life that you thought was yours. Have it in mind that there is a place of peace after death. And to have access to the peaceful place after death is the character, the behaviors, the attitude that you shows towards your fellow humans when you were alive. And again, there is a place of restlessness, a place where you can't have rest, always at war. Fighting without rest, what will bring you here after death is the evil that you afflicted toward your fellow human beings. So have it in mind that the wind, water and sand that sustain your life is recording all of your evil actions toward your fellow human. Also, they recorded the evil people afflicted toward you. The good and bad of yours is recording without error. My dear fellow humans, the truth you have received from the wind, water and sand that sustains your life and monitors your activities without error. So, nothing like prayer of forgiveness after afflicted evil against your fellow human being. You can't deceive the wind, water and sand that were here on earth before your presence. And also they are the life of your existence. So now, go and drink a cup of water and breathe to disject your thinking towards your fellow human being, to help yourself before death comes without giving notice. If you can't see death with its appearance to resist its strike, how do you think that the evil action is not recorded? Everything here on the earth before humans' existence is structured in their activities to supervise human behaviors. So nothing like forgiveness. Why destroying people's lives, my dear fellow humans? Stop evil actions toward your fellow human beings for your good before death. Because this earth is not yours, and death is not yours. The place where your invisible body that you always see in your dreams will go is not yours. Be wise in your actions toward your fellow humans. And always be in the good part to make humans' lives better. Not worst of suffering just for you to make money whereby peoples are dying in hunger and helpless. From now start seeking help from the wind, water and sand to always guide you in any activities toward your fellow human beings. Not to go against human lives, and don't destroy them because they are the key and door for you to have access to the peaceful pace after death. Our Creator loves humans. That is why He gives humans access to everything here on earth. But do not destroy the love of the Creator, which your fellow human beings, your evil actions and your good behaviors toward your fellow human beings are acknowledged by the wind, water and sand that sustains all humans and monitors all the activities on the earth without error. So be careful in your action toward things that concern humans' lives. Be safe and secure through the existence of the wind, water and sand, our life and strength to be active on the earth. We are truly blessed. Be safe and secure through the existence of the wind, water and sand, our life and strength to be active on the earth. We are truly blessed. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, the voice of the truth of the universes, here is the Onye Ndu Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of the truth afterlife.